Was that from the field? Hey!
Yes. Grab the cherry bomb off the couch, dude. There goes my boyfriend pissed off because people are shooting fireworks beside us, trying to own our shit when we've been doing it all night, scoring their shit out. We were the first one to light a firecracker in Summerland BC, Summerland, British Columbia. So yeah, here we go a little more.
Chucky. Get away from the door.
Assholes.
What?
Trying to upshow us. Garrett says he wants to walk over there and fucking shoot him in the face.
There's a lot of people talking over there. Hey!